Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my September 2020 Boxycharm Premium box. Oh, I was getting worried about this box because it was literally in the same state as me. It hadn't been delivered for a week and there was no movement on it, but it's finally here. I'm so excited to see what I got. I have been loving Boxycharm Premium. I only signed up a few months ago and I do not regret it. It's $35 a month and it's a customized beauty subscription and it's seriously one of my favorites out of all three Ipsies, and then I also get regular Boxycharm and Boxycharm Luxe. I already unboxed my Boxycharm Luxe box for the month of September. If you want to see all of the products I got in that, I'll have that linked in the description down below. I also show all of my unboxings of Ipsy, so I'm still waiting on my regular Ipsy Glam Bag, but I already did my unboxings and unbaggings of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. I also try out all of my makeup products in full dedicated review videos as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. And then at the end of the month, after trying all of my products out, I do a full face makeup tutorial using all of the products. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of those. But without further ado, let's see what I got in my Boxycharm Premium box. Here's how it looks. Looks very organized. Ooh, right on top here I see the Kitsch Cleanse Ritual Ice Roller. Oh, I'm so excited. I have never tried out an ice roller before. Oh no. I didn't get a product card. I think this happened last month where they forgot my product card and it wasn't emailed to me or anything. So wow, I am so bummed. I get so bummed when I don't get my product cards, but let's see if I can look this up online. Looks like this ice roller retails for $18, but I'm excited because I don't have one of these and I've never used one before, but I would really like to start. So it says you keep it in the freezer and then just roll it along the face to help with lymphatic drainage. And I don't do anything to help with that right now, so I think it's about time I start incorporating some into my routine. Ooh, and I love that it's pink and it's pretty big too. But it's like metal, you just kind of roll it on your face. Great. I'm excited that I got a product that I don't have, but I've been wanting to try. Okay, here's another product. This is from the brand Frank Body. Glowing Vacation Skin is inside this bag. Coconut Coffee Scrub. I get so many coffee scrubs in Ipsy and Boxycharm, and I do not like coffee scrubs. Even though they're supposed to be really good for the skin, I just find them so messy. I hate the smell of them, even though I love coffee. I have so many that maybe I should start. Supposed to buff away dry skin. It says antibacterial coconut oil to help fight breakouts, grapeseed oil rich in vitamins to reduce the appearance of scars. So, not something I'm super excited to get in this box. Next up, ooh, this is from the brand Ole Henriksen. Transform Plus Fat Glow Facial. Instantly exfoliates and illuminates with PHAs and Nordic Birch Sap. Oh, and I should mention this coffee scrub retails for $18.99. Oh, this is a facial mask. Apply a thin layer to dry face, massage until it transforms from pink to white. Leave on for 15 minutes. I'm not super excited to get a mask either, especially a leave-on type of mask, not a sheet mask. Wow, coffee scrub and a mask. Two products that I am just drowning in that I really didn't need. This seems to be a very skincare heavy box. But so this Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial retails for $50. So it's an expensive mask. Next up, ooh, this is a Marc Jacobs High Shine Gloss Lip Lacquer in the shade Enamored. Ooh, I'm excited to get a Marc Jacobs product. Raspberry Beret. Oh, maybe the shade is not Enamored. The shade is Raspberry Beret. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, so cool that we're getting Marc Jacobs products in Boxycharm. I've maybe only tried out like 1 or 2 Marc Jacobs makeup products. Whoa, look at that. That is a true purple. It's like the same shade as my backdrop there. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little swatch of this because I'm really curious. It definitely feels fancy, like luxurious packaging. Ooh, it has a minty smell to it. That's actually very pretty. I hope that this will be wearable for me and that it will look good. It's actually like, I have a pink lipstick on right now. It's pinkish, so maybe it'll be wearable for me. Has some nice shine, glossiness. I'll be trying this out in a full dedicated review video. And this lip lacquer retails for $29. Oh my gosh, another skincare product. I'm a little bit disappointed in my premium box this month. This is from the brand Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. Increases moisture levels, increases elasticity, balances the skin, antioxidant protection. I mean, that sounds great, but it seems like an oil to use in my nighttime skincare routine. And I'm not familiar with the brand Emma Hardy. Looking at this online, it doesn't have the best reviews, which is a little concerning. I also don't see any reputable retailers for this to even get a retail value. Some places I think are showing $55, but not places I've really heard of before. Doesn't even look like an Emma Hardy website comes up. All right, well, we'll give that a try, maybe. And then last up, I got, ooh, is this an eyeshadow palette from the brand Eloise, the Queen. A queen lies in all of us. Let's see. Ooh. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, this is the last product I had in my box, and I definitely saved the best for last. I love the colors in this. Wow, and you get 20 shades. Wow, some bright mattes, some great metallic, glittery shades. Oh, this is the type of eyeshadow palette I love to play with, and it's great packaging, huge mirror. And I have not tried out a product from the brand Eloise. I've never even heard of them before, so I love trying out new makeup brands. And the Marc Jacobs gloss that I got seems like it'll go really well with this eyeshadow palette. All right, and my Eloise the Queen eyeshadow palette retails for $44. Wow. So since I don't really know the retail value of my Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil, the rest of my products have a retail value of $160. So that's pretty high for my $35 premium box. However, there's a lot of products in here that I wouldn't have purchased otherwise. So I'm honestly pretty disappointed in my box this month. I usually love the products that I get in Boxycharm Premium, but definitely the eyeshadow palette is one that I'm super excited about. I hope that I'll like it. So I'll be doing a full dedicated review video on this very soon. And then I'm excited to get a Marc Jacobs makeup product, but I just am not sure this shade is gonna work for me. I would have liked a more easy daily type of shade to get more use out of it. But then I got the, like I said, Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil, and then Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial Mask, the Frank Body Coconut Coffee Scrub. Since it's coconut, maybe it would smell better than the regular coffee scrubs. Maybe I'll give it a try. And I got an ice roller. So lots of skincare, but not really skincare that I will use often or that I can even get to anytime soon because I'm already using other products like this. I just would have liked to see a lot more makeup products in this box, and I tend to usually get more makeup products in my Boxycharm. I don't know what was the product to choose this month. Maybe I missed the choice, But anyways, I'd love to know in the comments down below what you got in your Boxycharm premium box, and let me know if you've tried out any of these products. Maybe that will make me more excited about them when I hear your feedback on them. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.